guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make video editing smoother on CapCut PC. So first, go to menu, go back to home page, and once that has loaded, go to the settings part here and go to settings and delete your cache files. You can remove it automatically here. Select save and go to your project. Don't select anything, like select this gray area, go to modify, go to performance, and if you don't have proxy enabled, you're just going to enable it and you're going to select the lowest resolution, which is 540p. Then you're going to press save and it's going to convert the material into that resolution. It's going to look less high definition, but it's because they lower your quality, so editing won't be as laggy, but once you export it, it won't be a problem. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.